Hello. For this tutorial I will be showing you how to create super simple falling particles for your next Scratch project. The first step that you're going to want to do is you are going to want to create whatever your particles are going to be. I will just be using the Scratch Cat because it's the most simple and easy. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to make this a lot tinier. So you could do like 20 is usually a good size. You're going to bring that all the way to the top and then center it on the x-axis and make sure that it is barely poking in on the top. Then what you're going to want to do is go into Events. When the green flag is clicked, Control Forever, and then you are going to grab a delay. This could be anything you want, or you could just not use it. I'm going to be doing 0.05 seconds so that there isn't too many on the screen at once. And then once you have that, you are also going to go into Looks and grab the Hide block. Make sure you also grab a Show one for later. And then what you're going to want to do is go back into Control and grab Create Clone of Myself. And that's just essentially going to forever, that's going to wait, then it's going to create a clone. And then when I start as a clone, show, and then what you're going to want to do is go to motion, and then you're going to set the x-axis to pick random, and this could be anything you want. This could be from like negative 120 to positive 120, but I'm going to be going all the way to negative 225, all the way to 225. And then you're just going to recenter that, and I am going to do negative 225 to positive 225. And then that is going to just pick a random x-axis. And then you're going to want to go into Control, and you are going to repeat as many times as you want. You could have them linger at the bottom, you could have them sort of fade as they drop. I am going to repeat this 60 times, and then I am going to go into motion, and I am going to change Y by -2. And then I am going to go into Looks and just change the ghost effect by 2. This could also go a little quicker. I might actually do -5. And then you're going to want to go in Control and grab a Delete This Clone block so that it is not spamming infinite clones. And what this is going to do is it's going to just have a ton of falling particles all disappearing once they get down to the bottom. Like I said, this could be anything you want. And another thing that you could do is you could go into motion and you could turn them 2 or 3 degrees. I'm going to do 3, and then they're just going to fall and spin just like that. And then if you want some randomness to it, you could pick random 1 to 5 degrees, and then they're going to spin a little more or a little less, but it's a little bit more randomized so that they're not all falling at the exact same speed and spinning at the exact same speed. And like I said, you could do absolutely whatever you want with this. You could even just delete this, and then you could go into a line, and then you could make this a bright red color and then make it a little thicker, and then you could make a sort of confetti with it if you're having like a party game or animation, and then that is going to look like it's raining confetti, just like that. You could also, if you wanted to have more randomness to it, you could duplicate this and then select this, and then what you could do is make this a blue color, then you could duplicate another and you could make it a green color, and then I'm going to do one last one, and that one is going to be a yellow color, and that is going to look just like that. Oops. Okay, well, we'll just have those. And then what you're gonna want to do is go back into here, and then you are going to, when I start as a clone, looks, switch costume to operations, pick random 1, 2, 3, because we have 3 different costumes. And that is going to make it so that they are completely randomized when they are falling, as you can see. And you could also make these a little bigger. I might scale those up to about 100. You could scale them to whatever you want. But that is going to do it for this video, and I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.